Greetings to everyone. Myself Navin Kiar from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Welcome to video on solar photovoltaic system and its applications. Let us move on to the introduction. Introduction. Solar PV system are power system that converts sunlight into electricity by utilizing the photovoltaic effect. This technology is eco-friendly, safe to use, and generates a green energy without causing pollution. A photovoltaic system comes in a various size and is useful in a solar water heating, lighting, etc. This PV solar panels supply electric to customers by converting the sun's energy into a solar energy using a different techniques. Let us move on to the next topic. What do you mean by photovoltaic? Photovoltaic is nothing but an increasingly popular use of a solar energy involves solar electric system called photovoltaic. Photovoltaic system converts sunlight directly into electricity and are potentially one of the most useful of renewable energy technologies. Let us move on to the next point. On the planet where more than 2 billion people have no access to electricity, photovoltaic system can provide power for many users. The art of photovoltaic system is a solid state device called a solar cell. A group of solar cells can be packaged into a module, panels and arrays to provide useful output voltages and current to provide a specific power output. Photovoltaic power is ideal for remote application where the power sources are unavailable such as in a Swiss Alps. This mountain hut in every remote area of France uses PV to generate power. Photovoltaic power for offshore navigation aids eliminates trips to and from shore to refill generators with the fossil fuels. Let us move on to the applications. Solar powder water pumps are very cost effective in agriculture application like the system in canas. Another farm application keeping animals where they belong behind photovoltaic electrified fence charges. Photovoltaic powder street lights like this in a rural town in a Central American help contribute to safety, security and general standard of living in a remote area all over the world. The lamp in photovoltaic powered inside traps comes on automatically after sunset. It attracts insect which collides with a metal grid and drops into reservoirs below. Offshore navigational aids which requires little maintenance can withstand harsh storms and cut down on the cost and population of battery replacement and disposal by photovoltaic of power. Highway directional signs can use a photovoltaic system to save expense of a to extend electric lights to sign as well as cost of maintenance in electric lines. Photovoltaic is an excellent source of power for a battery charger for boats, vehicles, and equipments. The solar powder chargers assure that the battery is charged and ready for use. Even if the boats or vehicles are sat for a long time and the battery is discharged. Campers can use a photovoltaic in remote areas to provide power for lighting appliances and other users. It is estimated that more than 15,000 homes in a remote part of US depends on PV system to meet their energy needs. In many cases, it is more cost effective to install a photovoltaic system than pay the cost of having utility company extend the power lines to the home. Many utilities companies in US are turning to a large photovoltaic system to help meet peak power demands and reduce the needs of building new power plant. Around the world, there are many dramatic examples of PV system. This includes this PV wind diesel hybrid system in Mexico that provides a village-wide power for 43 homes, 3 schools, 2 stores, and church and an auditorium. In 1987, the Swiss government started a program to mount photovoltaic arrays on a sound barrier along a main motorway. This billboard in Mexico promotes a project that uses solar power to electrify street light. This photovoltaic system in the Philippines not only provides electricity to home but also create the shelter for these motorcycles. PV models are used in a remote areas in Africa north of Kenya Gliding Club to charge the batteries in VHF. radios in gliders to maintain the starter battery in the town vehicles which move the glider around the airstrips and to power other instruments. A photovoltaic kit is used to recharge a portable lamp in the coast of Africa. Let us discuss about the advantages of solar photovoltaic cells. This solar photovoltaic cells used in transportation, solar cells in calculators, versali- versatility, significant impact on smart energy network, solar cells in panel, low in maintenance, easy to install. These are the topics about the solar photovoltaic cells. Thank you.